An array list, an array list is used to model a phase-length list of objects or primitive values, integers, float, boolean, and characters. This can be changed during execution. All of the objects in the list must be of the same type. An array list is one of the basic types of the languages. An array list is a variable length list that may contain different types of objects. Objects of any type can dynamically added to and removed from the list at any time. An array list is called count sheet now annum, a special type of list that has a fixed length list, where all of the objects in the list are the same type. But unlike an array, the objects of value in the list constant and can never be changed. You implement an unknown list by defining an unknown class that defines the list of objects of value in the list. When to use an array, unknown, and array list. An array list is the most flexible of the three different types of lists, so why not use all of them at the time? The answer to this question is that it depends on how the lists are to be used. Arrays and unknowns can be much more efficient to use from a performance perspective because the number of items in the list is fixed. Memory is allocated for the entire list when the array or unknown list is initially created. With an array list, memory is dynamically allocated each time an object is added or removed from the list. This is a very CPU intensive operation, so arrays and unknowns are more efficient to use when the length of the list never changes. On the other hand, they are not easy to use when you have added and deleted items from the list. In this case, an array list is a better choice. Guideline to determine which kind of list to use. Array. When the length of the list is fixed, you may want to dynamically change the items list. All of the items in the list must be of the same type, data type. Enum. When the number items in the list is fixed, the items they will be constant and not change. All of the items in the list must be of the same data type. Array list. When you need to add or remove objects from the list, or the objects in the list needed to be of different data types. Examples of code. Runtime errors. Runtime errors occur while the program is executing and most often associated with a logic or system error. The program will abruptly terminate with an exception and print some type of nasty error that the user, the end user, most likely will not understand. Java implemented as an exception handling to give the programmer a graceful way of handling runtime errors. Handling also makes your code simpler and easier to understand. Examples of runtime errors goes byte streams versus character streams. A byte stream reads and writes binary data one byte at a time is sequential order. Byte fast strings must be used to read and write binary data. They may also be used to read and writing character data stored in ASCII format. Character streams allow you to read and write character data regardless of the format that the data is stored in. It supports characters in both ASCII and Unicode format. Character data.